This is my Xiaomi 15 device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and I'm using the latest Winlator 9 with the Universal Experimental Vortex graphics driver by Bruno. And guys, you might have seen this video already. I tested Mafia 2, GTA 5 and Fallout, and it kind of runs, right? So remember, it's still experimental. But what about hooking this baby to my almost 50 inches TV? Actually it's 48 inches, and then check how this looks on a big screen. And yes, this is what we're gonna be doing in this video. And for this we're gonna use a simple adapter by Hama. This is USB-C signal direction to HDMI. It does support 4K Ultra HD. This is how it looks like, guys. So you just connect this to your phone, and here you do connect your TV. Let's test this. So this is the Xiaomi 15 connected to my TV, and yes, it's on top on my PS5 that I also modded using some materials from AliExpress. Yeah, it's not an original PS5 30th anniversary edition because such thing doesn't exist, and I do also use the DualSense controller to control the game. Now let's go to the big screen, guys. Alright, this is Fallout 4 and I just made it out of the bunker. Here, guys, in the left corner you can see the actual FPS, and I know people will say, hey, you know, it runs so much better on Agent 1 and 2. Yeah, of course, and Agent 3 with the proper turnip drivers for Adreno. But remember, guys, this thing here is more or less experimental. It's universal. It should also work on MTK devices. And have in mind that the Snapdragon 8 Elite is a new chip. It's like, what, 2 months? And thanks to Bruno and Winlator 9, we can already test some games. Some of you were sharing the fact that because GPU support is kind of experimental and universal, probably also somewhat limited, this emulation runs mainly on CPU. Now, I cannot confirm this because I'm not really that expert. I will just rely on you to keep me honest in the comments. But let's play Fallout 4 and just see what the phone can do on these bigger screens. And from time to time, of course, I'm going to take also some temp measurements. And just for a few minutes we are already at 40 Celsius. Now yesterday when I tested this with Fallout 4, I got almost to like 47 Celsius. Now let's keep playing, and have in mind with all the caveats, guys, that this thing here is still experimental, right? Nobody really thought it was possible so quick. This is available on GitHub. I'm gonna link the link down below in the first comment and the pinned comments. It's Winlator 9 with Vortex, the universal Vortex GPU support. It should as well work also on the Dimensity 9400. I already got some people confirming this. Okay, now I got my friend here. Right, can I talk to the dog?
Hey boy.
I can. And the best part is that I also get my sound now on my fat TV using the USB-C to HDMI.
Okay then.
It's so impressive if you think that I'm playing this not on my phone screen but on the almost 50 inches that I have at home. 48 inches, okay, shy 50 inches, guys. So incredible. And again, the frame rate isn't perfect. You can see it drops sometimes to like below 20, but overall, right, it's still it's still an experience, right? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Yes, you can see there are some bugs. Let's also try to measure some temps. Yeah, 41.3 again. And now I got GTA 5 running, and I'm not going to toggle the full screen because I'm going to use this big boy here. Now, let's just go to the task manager, guys. GTA 5. I want to show you something interesting. I'm now able to play with all the CPU affinities, thanks to one of your tips, by just changing the setting in the Winlator from Win 7 to Win 10. Alright, that's the phone connected, and yeah, I'm still using my DualSense controller. Alright, here I am at 31 FPS. Let me try to get myself a nice ride. You know, this motorbike looks nice. Can I get it? Too far away. Oh, I got it. All right. Now let's go and take my motorbike. As you can see, I'm still controlling it with my DualSense. Yeah. 23 FPS. I'm, by the way, guys, using a low settings XML files. I retried everything to just get a bit more of that FPS. But alright, yeah, here it is, guys. I'm now on the motorbike. I put my helmet on and I hope I'm gonna have a safe drive. Show you around. Yeah, I tried to tweak Winlator 9.0 because at some point the game just freezes, but it is what it is, and you can see it from here. Oh wow, yeah, don't do this at home. Okay, but you know what, I'm wearing a helmet and it's time for me to change my ride, so let's just go and pick up a better ride. And I'm busted. Sometimes just changing the GPU model helps, not all the time though. Alright, fancy car, can I get this car? Alright, I'm gonna get this car. Oh my god, I love the bugs. Woo, and I'm busted, guys. Alright.
Ooh, wait!
Game freshly restarted and I'm on the bike. Alright, I'm just gonna do some occasional driving through the city and just test if the game is going to crash. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not sure how, but I was able to run this with the latest box 64 setting. So, oh, this is a killer car, you know? You know what I can do for this car? I like your car, man. You know, let me just park the bike here and get myself this car. It's not a Tesla, right? There are no Teslas in GTA 5. 30 FPS, guys. Oh. Woo! GTA 5. 48 inches. And I'm not sure if you can tell just by the video, but yeah, it is 800 by 600. Wow! Woohoo! I'm on a jet. Oh! Woohoo! And I got the police on me. Woo! Let's jump. Let's try it at ADV. Oh no 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 no. I need this, sorry man. Thank you so much. I wanted to get on the stairs. It just like, oh, and this is the moment that I believe the game crashed. I can probably try and remove some of the affinities from the task manager. If I go to the GTA 5, click here on the pros affinity, just remove the CPU 0, 1 and 2, press OK. I don't think this is going to bring it back to life. Well, you know what? Let's try to play some Mafia, and I need to turn down the volume a bit. Yes, 2K games. It's gonna be just crazy, crazy loud. Okay, so this here is Mafia 2, the other game that I was able to run. And you know what? I'm just thinking, guys, with this low resolution, but okay, thanks to the big TV, I can just move away like 3 meters, and it's probably going to be still playable. Oh, wow. Nah, definitely something wrong. I mean, I remember this game looked just way cooler. Looks so much better when I'm playing it on the tiny 6.3 inches screen. This looked very poor, but guys, yeah, I'm not sure why, but I have this 800 by 600. You know what I'm gonna do right now? For Mafia, I'm gonna go 1280 by 800, so I'm gonna give it another try. Alright, this is now the full screen toggle. And this is a whole other story. Okay, just don't kill me, man. You know, let's talk a bit. Alright, you know, you have a nice ride. Sorry, now it's my ride. Okay, thank you. And the police arrive so quickly. Okay, guys. Mafia 2, guys. Wow, 34 FPS. Yeah, I'm almost inclined to say that this is playable. I mean, it certainly looks like an old PS2 game. Yeah, anyway. And while I'm driving, let me give you a tour of the city. 25 to 40 FPS. Inside, of course, yeah, you see, this is this thing with the shadows. Still glitchy a bit and the frame rate drops, but now, hopefully out of the tunnel, it should be really better. And I see a car that I would like to test really. No, wait for me. No chance I'm getting this car, right? I need to somehow like sidetrack this guy and be able to take his car. Alright, this will work for me. Okay. Just get out. Gentlemen, hello. I am from the police and I need your car for a special operation. This special operation called Winlator 9 Vortex testing on my Xiaomi. Oh, you're a fighter. Oh, you're a fighter, man. You're a, yeah. Okay, yeah, you're a tough guy. And now I got fined. Oh. And now I got the police on me, and that's okay because I'm just going to try to escape and show you some of the city. And maybe try to kill somebody in the process. Again, just for the sake of the testing. Alright, man, you guys are tough. This is it, guys. I died again, and let's try to measure some temps. Yeah, 39.4. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you like videos like this, just go and watch some of the older stuff. Thank you so much. Stay safe. VST over, and bye.